Well, hello everybody. Today I'm going to answer a question I get a lot, and that is, how much does a YouTuber make with 5,000 subscribers? Well, I went on and did a little research to see what the average was, and I tell you what, the YouTubers, I should back up. Most of the YouTubers that I saw that said how much you can make on YouTube, they're lying to you. You don't make anywhere near that much. There are a few that I came across while I was going down my rabbit hole of watching YouTube that told you the truth. But most of them lie. Also, there are websites you can go to that'll show you how much YouTubers make, or the average. I went on there, checked myself out, the ResslerMania channel. It was very much off. One of the websites said I made about $1,000 a month. So don't believe them either. I'm going to tell you how much an average YouTuber actually makes with 5,000 subscribers. At least at the time of this video, I had about 5,000 subscribers. I'm going to come with receipts, actual receipts that I got as screenshots from my phone. I'm going to show them to you. They are not doctored, they are not photoshopped like a lot of the receipts I saw on YouTube with the other YouTubers who supposedly made this outlandish amount of money. It just doesn't happen unless you're already famous or you're in some sort of a resort area or something like that. So yes, there are exceptions, but for the most part, the average YouTuber doesn't make nearly as much as what is claimed. But without further ado, let's get started. A lot of different things go into how much you make. For instance, obviously the views. In my case, I get about 13,000 views a month. That's indicated on the left side of the screen. On the right side is another screenshot that shows the top 5 videos for the last month and how many views per video I got. And of course, within the last 48 hours, what the real-time views were. So within a 48-hour period, within this snapshot of time, I got 1,415 views. Impressions, YouTube put my videos out to 144.6 thousand people. Of that, 6.2% actually clicked on the thumbnail to watch the video. Your goal for the click-through rate is about 5%. So I'm slightly over that 5% goal as a small YouTuber like myself. Your CPM rate is also very important. Your goal wants to be about $10. My playback-based CPM is, in this snapshot, $11.37. So I'm a little bit above what my goal is. Now, what is a CPM? It means cost per metric, and the metric they use is 1,000 impressions. In other words, it represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on your channel. And you can also see here within the past 28 days of this video what the percentage of bumper ads, those non-skippable ads, skippable ads, display ads. I'm not sure what unknown is, but this is the percentage of pay that I'm getting from the advertisers, again, for this particular month. So putting all of that together, here are my top earners when it comes to videos in the last month. You'll see each individual video is not that much, but month over month, it does accumulate. But the big question is, how much money do I make each month? Well, here it is, folks. From July until this month, this is how much I made each month. Not exactly what you thought, huh? So why do we do it then? Well, most of us do it because, like myself, it's an artistic outlet. Also, because my degree is in television production, I am more of an independent journalist, so it kind of keeps me mentally sharp, and it keeps me going with the creative juices. And as you can see from my past videos, I like to do edutainment, so to speak. So educate, but also try to do it as entertaining as I possibly can, within the subject matter, of course. But as you see, with as little as a YouTuber with the amount of subscribers that I have, why a lot of YouTubers push for membership, or they have Patreon, or they have PayPal or Coffee, or one of those things. Now, I personally just have Patreon and YouTube memberships. And I'll do a video later on why someone would want to do Patreon or memberships, and why the viewer would want to do it because of different incentives that are given to you, those kind of things. But again, that's a different video. But for now, hopefully what I showed you helps and explains why many of us YouTube creators do what we do. As you see, it's not for the money. So with that said, as always, have a great day.